from the moment I heard this, I knew we had to talk.
I think ultimately what I think music and entertainment is that it's mind formation.
And listening to her, I fully understand what she's talking about. Because when I first got saved, God told me, take it away. That was the first line of business when I came to Christ, was to remove the music. I can't lie, I can't say it was easy because it wasn't. It was hard. I fought for a while, but I knew that I had to get rid of it. But what she's referring to is mind formation. When we begin to listen to secular music, it's accomplishing its goal, mind formation, meaning that it's bringing you back or it's referring you back to old habits, old sex partners, old past lovers in your life. It's referring you back. So the mind formation is happening.
And it dulls you where you don't even realize you're dull. You don't hear as clearly as you can hear. You don't discern as quickly as you can discern.
It's doing exactly what it's assigned to do. So if it's adultery, then it's accomplishing that goal. If it's lust, accomplishing that goal. If it's murder, accomplishing that goal. If it's anger, hate, and bitter envy, selfish ambition, it's accomplishing its goal. And when you begin to understand how music works, you begin to understand also how the brain works dealing with music. Music bypasses our frontal lobe, which is right here. It bypasses that, the guardian. So because it goes into the ears, so it goes into the mind. And the mind is nothing more than a memory bank. And music is so potent, you could constantly keep replaying or regurgitating that same tune in your head. And that same tune would bring about old habits. And not only old habits, it would bring about old spirits. Because many people know they shouldn't be listening to R&B who are Christians, because every time they listen to it, they begin to recant or remember the sexual act or the person that they committed that act with, and they begin to feel the vibrations through the music and even the person who's singing it. Because if the person's intent is to arouse, then the intent will be accomplished if you keep on listening to it, because it creates mood, it creates atmosphere, climates, and you have to be careful what you listen to. And I challenge you to do what she's giving us to do. Listen to what she's about to say. I want you all to do this with me.
I would challenge anybody to do a secular music fast for 30 days. And in that time, listen to gospel, listen to worship, listen to CCM, Hillsong Bethel, I don't care. Listen to the people and be asking God to renew your mind. And I guarantee you, after a month, you will see a shift in your life with God.
I know what this is, the wheel house. Peace.